Your future in tech starts here. Welcome back. You know the degrees, you know the coursework. Now let's talk about what these careers actually look like on a job and reveal some roles that are going to seriously blow your mind. This is where it gets real. Picture this. You wake up, open your laptop, and spend your day building features for an app that millions of people use. That's the life of a software developer. Maybe you're coding the algorithm that recommends your next favorite song, or building the backend that keeps a social platform running at lightning speed, or squashing a bug that was crashing the app for thousands of users. Web developers build everything you see and tap on the internet. Every button, every animation, every page that loads in under a second. Work is all mental. You're solving puzzles all day, shipping code, and watching your ideas go live in the real world. If you love building things people actually use, this is your career. Now picture a totally different scene. You're in a lab. There's a circuit board in front of you, an oscilloscope on your bench, and a schematic on your screen. You're an electrical engineer, and your job is to make electronics actually work. Analog circuit engineers design the amplifiers and power regulators inside every device on the planet. Digital circuit engineers design the logic that makes processors and memory function at billions of operations per second. You're measuring voltages, running simulations, and figuring out why a circuit isn't behaving the way the math says it should. It's hands-on, it's physical, and when you finally get it working, the feeling is unreal. If you want to build the hardware that powers the world, electrical engineering is your path. Now what if you want to do both? That's computer engineering, and it might be the most versatile degree in all of tech. A computer engineer might spend the morning writing firmware, low-level code running directly on a microcontroller. Then the afternoon is in the lab, connecting that firmware to a physical circuit board and making sure it actually works. You are the bridge between the software world and the hardware world. When a device won't boot, when a sensor sends wrong data, when a chip overheats under load, you're the one who figures it out. Never bored, always in demand, always learning something new. Now get ready, because these jobs will surprise you. Some of the coolest careers in tech have nothing to do with building things from scratch. They're about breaking them, hacking them, or deciding what gets built in the first place. Imagine your entire job is finding ways to make technology fail. That is literally what a test engineer does, and it is as fun as it sounds. Test engineers push software and hardware to their absolute limits. They send 10,000 requests per second to crash a server. They spike the temperature to see if a chip fails. They do the crazy, unexpected thing a user might do, just to see what happens. They write automated tests, run stress tests, and break things on purpose, so customers never have to experience a failure. Here's why this role matters so much. A bug caught by a test engineer costs a company a few hours to fix. The same bug shipped to millions of users? That can cost millions of dollars and tank a company's reputation overnight. Test engineers are the last line of defense. The best ones love every second of it. What if your job was to hack into systems and get paid for it? Security engineers, especially those on penetration testing and red team roles, spend their days trying to break into software, networks, and hardware before the bad guys do. They find the vulnerabilities, they exploit the weaknesses, then they report back so the team can lock it down. It's part puzzle, part detective work, part adrenaline rush. Cyber attacks cost the world trillions of dollars every year. Skilled security engineers are some of the most sought-after people in all of tech. If you love outsmarting systems and thinking like a villain to protect like a hero, this career was made for you. Not every tech career is about code or circuits. The product manager, the PM, is the person in the room who decides what gets built and why. PMs talk to customers every day. They listen to what people need, what frustrates them, and what would make their lives better. Then they bring those ideas back to the engineering team and say, build this. They work across engineering, design, and business. They ask the big questions. What does the user actually need? What's technically possible? What makes sense for the business? You don't have to code to be a great PM, but understanding how technology works makes you unstoppable in that role. An engineer who becomes a PM, that is one of the most powerful career paths in all of tech. The payoff is real. Let's talk money. Let's talk opportunity. Let's talk about why these degrees are worth it. CS grads become software engineers, AI researchers, data scientists, and cybersecurity experts at companies like Google, Netflix, and world-changing startups. Computer engineering grads design the processors and chips inside your phone, your gaming console, and the satellites orbiting Earth at companies like NVIDIA, Intel, AMD, Apple, and SpaceX. Electrical engineering grads build the power grids, 5G towers, autonomous vehicles, and medical devices that keep the modern world alive. And roles like test engineering, security, and product management are needed everywhere, in every company, every industry, every corner of the tech world. These aren't just jobs. These are careers that matter. This is your moment. Here's the truth. The technology being built right now, the AI, chips, systems, devices, needs people like you to build it. It needs coders and circuit designers and firmware engineers and hackers and visionaries. It needs someone who is curious, someone who loves solving hard problems, someone who isn't afraid to try something new. That someone could be you. You don't have to have it all figured out today. Start with the curiosity. Start with the math. Start with the question. And let it take you somewhere incredible. The future of technology is being written right now. Go write yours.